Next command is polygon command. For selecting polygon command, you can type here POLYGON, or you can also select from here in rectangle. From here this icon, drop down the menu, and here's the option polygon. Select it. Now it is asking about number of sides. You can enter here number of sides. You can also create a triangle by entering here number of sides 3. I'm going to create a pentagon, so I will enter here number of sides 5. Press enter. Specify the center of the polygon. I select this point. Now here are two options: inscribe in circle, circumscribe about circle. In inscribe in circle, the pentagon will be created inside the circle. The corners of pentagon will be connect to the circle. But in circumscribe about circle, pentagon will be created outside the circle, and circle and the edges of pentagon are tangent in circumscribe about circle. Now first of all I select inscribe in circle, select it. Here specify the radius of circle. I will enter here 50 mm, press enter. Again I select same command, polygon command, number of sides 5, press enter. I select this point. Now I select circumscribe about circle. Radius of circle, again I select 50 mm, press enter. Now I will create two circles. Select circle, select the center of the polygon, radius 50 mm. Again select circle command, select the center of this polygon, radius 50 mm. In both cases, radius of circle is 50 mm. This one we select inscribe in circle, and this one is circumscribe about circle. You can also create a hexagon. Select polygon command, number of sides. I select 6, press enter. Specify center of the polygon. I select this point. Inscribe in circle, radius 20 mm. Again I select polygon, number of sides 6, press enter. I select this point. Now select circumscribe about circle, specify radius of circle. I again select 20 mm, press enter. See here, this one is inscribe in circle with radius 20 mm, and this one is circumscribe about circle of radius 20 mm.